being in that seat, which he has a lot of authority, he could do a lot of things. Definitely the drawback of the government. Rather than putting it on the whole government, I would put it on the individuals itself, them holding the responsibility, them sitting in such responsible seats and still not able to speak up a word of their own or opinion on the whole issue which has shaken the entire nation. Not only the nation, I think anybody who sees it, it's not something very simple, it's very difficult, something very difficult to digest, something very uneasy to believe that it has happened. And the worst part is it has happened 70 days back, approximately 70 days back, and nobody has got to know about it. The government, I think, I'm not sure, but considering the whole situation, they might have known there is something going on. That is why they shut down the internet so easily, which did not allow the other people, which was not shown, which did not come out all these days. So at least, so it's not that they did not know anything about it. They at least knew there was something going wrong. If it was to take a positive step, they could have taken it long back. At least now, since the government, the judiciary has involved, and all these people have come out to protest against the issue, and he is already late for his words. But still, I really request him or demand him as a woman, as an Indian citizen, to come out and take a step, holding his power and being in that seat, which he has a lot of authority. He could do a lot of things. I hope he takes his steps. My name is Noora.
आप कैसे देखते हैं ये जो सरकार बनी है,
मोदी की सरकार, इसका काम ही डिविजिव है और ये यहीं पे नहीं हर जगह वही काम करते हैं। और वो गुजरात में भी इसी स्लोगन पे आए, नॉर्थ इंडिया में भी यही करते हैं, वो एक कम्युनिटी को दूसरे कम्युनिटी के साथ लड़ाते हैं और यहाँ पे भी वही किए, कर्नाटक में भी वो कोशिश किए हिस्टोरिकल इनकरेक्ट फिगर्स को प्लांट करते हुए। कल हिमाचल में एक वैसे ही एक किए हुआ है जहाँ पे गुजर और राजपूत के साथ किए हैं। तो दिस इज नथिंग न्यू। The shameful thing was the denial of Modi for so many days. He denied nothing was happening. The whole people in the government were denying it, whereas the whole world was speaking about it. Rahul Gandhi visited, so many other people visited, activists visited. They were जू नहीं रेंग रही थी. If not for that video which got viral, these guys would have remained in silence for some more time. Okay, it is wrong. He is the prime minister of the whole country. There may be different tribes. There has to be a process which he has to. It's his job. He has to go put a process so that peace has to be restored. Okay, rather than ignite. So it is clear-cut, state-sponsored violence. There is no denial in that.
क्या लगता है ये सब बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट ने किया है?
ये पूरा उन्हीं का खेल है। ये एक तरफ हमारे मोदी जी बोलते हैं बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, बेटी को बचाने के बदले बेटी को जला रहे, वो भी खुला नाच हो रहा है। इसमें पूरा हाथ जो है इन्हीं लोगों का है, बीजेपी हुकूमत का है। खुसूसी जो है मणिपुर के साथ हम लोग खड़े हैं। मणिपुर के औरतों के लिए, मणिपुर के लिए हम लोग इंसाफ मांग रहे हैं।
सबसे पहले जो है वहाँ पे हुकूमत को जो है बर्खास्त करना चाहिए, मणिपुर के अंदर बर्खास्त करके जो है प्रेसिडेंट रूल लाकर और फिर से इलेक्शन करना और पूरे चीफ मिनिस्टर वो जो भी है वहाँ के सबको जो है उनके ऊपर केस बुक करना है अभी।